Can you go get the hammer? Please.
3, 2, 1. I'm so scared about doing this.
Well, that worked pretty well. I didn't expect it to go through that far. Welcome to today's video. We're James and Holly, and for over 10 years we've both been spending all of our hard-earned money on travel, but things are about to change.
We bought a house!
And the house we have bought is a doer-upper, so we've got to do everything in the house. And we've never done anything quite like this before, so we're complete novices. Welcome to our new adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of the house renovation series.
So we are like in full swing of these house build videos at the moment.
Full destruction mode.
Today's video is where things start to go a little bit crazy. I don't know why I don't have my hammer in my hand.
I was going to say, this is where James's
smashing things down.
with a hammer comes out.
I go on little rampages with a hammer. But how do you feel like the house renovations are going so far?
I don't know. We've broken everything, and it kind of goes from like, yeah, we're doing so well, to, oh my god, we've got so much to do. It changes by the minute.
Yeah, you go between these like good and bad kind of feelings. Yeah. It's good that you're doing it, it's fun. And then you look at it and you go, we've got a long way to go.
We've got so much to do.
In this video, you'll see how far we have to go.
We were so enthused back at the start.
Down now. Holly, come look at this.
Oh my gosh!
Look at that!
All in one!
Holy.
Well, we got some tiles.
That shows how bad the plaster is.
Or how good the tiling is.
Or how good the tiling is. I am so hot right now. Woo. Now we've taken all of the tiles off, and along with that, all of that horrible old crumbly plaster basically fell off with it as well. We've exposed this brick wall. We basically want to sort this wall out. Now, we don't necessarily have to, but we think it's going to be advisable to do that because some of these huge cracks, I can literally get my finger all the way in there. No pun intended. But we thought that we'd actually repoint this wall. Now you might think that that's a lot of effort to go through because there's not going to be an external exposed wall to actually repoint it properly, but it's going to be a test for us because we actually want to repoint the whole of the outside of the house. So this is a great kind of canvas for us to actually try the repointing because we've not actually done it before. And 2, it's going to help with insulation because all of these gaps is just basically going to be not very good for heating this place because the gaps are just going to basically take the heat away. And also for soundproofing as well, we basically want to cover up all these gaps to help sound traveling through the walls. So we're going to start with scraping all of the kind of the crappy loose stuff out. As you can see, it's literally just wibbly wobbling and around. So basically we're going to take out all of this horrible loose stuff, clean it all up, and then we can actually repoint it properly.
Professional builders do it in a kitchen mixing bowl. Washing up bowls.
Using a Pyrex dish. But look how different and how much better it looks that we've repointed this bit. I think and I hope that it does help with the soundproofing, and I really hope it does help with some insulation for heating as well. Weirdly, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. It was actually quite therapeutic doing it, and Holly was a little bit annoyed because she wanted to have a go. And
I'm quite glad that this bit is left so I can have a go. I don't think this is going to do the job.
Just have a go. That's the biggest hammer we got.
It is.
Just as hard as you can. Just,
No, I'm not going to hit it as hard.
just swing the hammer and smash the wall. 3, 2, 1.
I made a hole! I'm following James's advice and I don't know if it's good advice.
Rip it down, Holly! Rip it down! Yeah! Yeah!
I hate destroying things.
You should totally be wearing a mask right now.
I should, yeah, let's go put masks on.
So pretty much everything has been ripped out of the old bathroom now. The bath is gone, the toilet's gone, the sink is gone, and the partition wall, which was here, is now completely gone as well. So we're almost back to bare bones. We've taken off all the tiles and the renders. We've gone back to the brickwork here. But now we've got to do the fun job, the dusty job, and that is ripping off all of the lath and plaster off of the walls. And lath and plaster is not very nice. It's very like old school way of building houses from many, many years ago. It's very, very dusty, it's very, very crumbly, and it's all mixed together with horsehair, which is kind of strange. But all of this has to come off so we can then put new plasterboard on, so we can then plaster it and get it looking all nice and fresh, because I don't think this is our style, Holly.
No, I do quite like the colour
The
combination.
three tones, and the wall which just kind of bounces and crumbles when you touch it.
Maybe we should keep it as a feature.
Maybe
Feature
not.
wall.
Oh yeah, we still got to take these pipes out as well. Forgot about that.
So we've now ripped all of the old plaster off, which was actually super satisfying.
Oh,
And
sorry, you've just fallen over.
And because there were 3 of us that was doing it, we got it done super quick. So now we're going to take all the wood off the walls, although I actually quite like the effect. I'm half inclined to say we should keep it.
No,
Okay.
everything's got to come off.
Wood's coming off.
I should also say the hammer hit my thumb pretty hard and I got a boo-boo.
Yeah, within the first few minutes it was, we had to go find the first aid kit.
So all of the lath and plaster has now been ripped off of this room, and we're just left with these joists, and everything else you see is the backside of the lath and plaster of the next room. So the next job is to rip off all of this lath and plaster of this room. So it's going to be kind of strange because all we're going to be left with is the upright joists. So this whole, well, these 2 rooms are going to be completely open plan. We're not going to keep it open plan, obviously, but we've got to basically go back to the upright joists. Are you ready to start again, Holly, and completely ruin this room?
I'm ready.
3,
2, 1. I'm so scared about doing this. Well, that worked pretty well.
safety is #1 priority.